Hi friends, this is Nived. So in this video, I will be demonstrating the integration of TagUI with Robocop. As you all know that TagUI is an automation or an RPA based tool which can be written in different languages for automation. So in this video, we will see how we can implement this TagUI script under Robocop lab under different languages. As the TagUI has the ability to write in different languages. So for integration of RPA with Robocop, I had developed a library, and utilizing this library, I am able to run TagUI script under different languages in the Robocop lab. So for an demonstration, I had written the TagUI script in English, in Hindi, Chinese, and Russian. So as you all can see, this run script is a keyword that is coming from this tagui underscore script.py for running the tagui script. And its first parameter is the language on which we need to run. For example, if you need to run on English language, the first parameter should be English. If you need to run on Hindi language, the first parameter should be Hindi. Likewise, same for other languages like Chinese and Russian. So the other parameter should be the script. You can see here. This is actually the TagUI script which we are actually going to automate. For other languages also you can see the same, which is written in the languages here. So let's see and see whether it is working or not. So let me just execute the TagUI script by cell by cell. So let me just click on run English. It will execute this run English script. As you can see, it is running the English script. Now it's actually a currency converter operation. So let me type the currency to which I need conversion. So it will extract me the like currency rate or forex rate, and you can see it give me an output of from the library itself. I can get the output like 1 AUD is equal to 62,658.15143 INR. Also I can get output like I had stored the script result in a data variable. From this data variable also I can get the output by using notebook print. You can see here. Similarly, if I run another script which is the TagUI script on Hindi language, let me see. Let me click on run it. We can see it is executing the process where it is actually going to log to a particular application by providing username and password. Yeah, it's working fine. Actually, the password was wrong. That's why it was not able to log to the website. And so, but up to the step it has performed, it is working fine. So let's perform let's run the Chinese script. Let me execute it. It's the same script as we done for Hindi language. You can see it's working fine. Yeah, it's executing successfully. So now let's move to a last language on which we had written our TagUI script, that is on Russian language. So you can see it is also executing. Yeah. So whatever TagUI script we have written under different languages, it is actually executing fine. So this is all about TagUI integration with Robocop. So advantage is that you can able to write TagUI script under different languages in the Robocop lab itself. Okay, so I will be publishing this library in my GitHub repository later. So please use this library and give me any comment or feedback about this so that we can make it more better. Thank you.